You can't find this at a restaurant near you. That's why I'm gonna show you how to make it yourself. Let's go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and make our marinade. We'll take 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed. We'll go ahead and grind them up like you see here. And then we'll go ahead and set those aside for later. Then next we'll take a few scallion greens, 1 jalapeno, 3 tablespoons of achiote, about 8 cherry tomatoes cut in half, and then 3 toasted guajillo chilies, and just go ahead and crumble them up. And a little pinch of salt. And then we'll go ahead and bash these up into a nice smooth paste. I also added a few cilantro stems at the very end to give it some herbaceousness. I think it really rounds out the paste. You really want to work this into a paste for at least 5 to 10 minutes to make it super smooth. Then we'll add the juice of a half an orange. Really squeeze it in there, and then also the juice of half a lime. Go ahead and stir that to combine, and your marinade is ready. All right, let's go ahead and prep our yellowtail. We'll go ahead and season it lightly with salt and pepper. We'll take our marinade and just get in every little nook and cranny like you see here. This would be beautiful on any fish, by the way. Make sure you get the back, very important. And then we'll go ahead and let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. All right, guys, next let's prep our veg. We'll take some baby turnips and go ahead and cut off the tops and save them for later. Next, we'll take a green zucchini, cut it right in half, and you'll just slice it up like you see here. Don't feel like you have to use this veg, guys. You can use whatever you like, whatever's in your kitchen, totally fine. Next, you'll take a bell pepper and just go ahead and slice it open. And then a little trick you can do is just to cut out the little membrane to make these perfect little julienne slices. Be very careful with your fingers when you're doing this. Go ahead and feed that to your dog. All right, next we'll slice up a few scallions, and then we'll go ahead and make our garnish. We'll take about 4 scallion grains and then just slice them very fine. Also being very careful and mindful of your fingers. Go ahead and soak them and let them bloom in some ice water for about 10 minutes. Lastly, we'll take 1 red onion, just slice it. And then next we'll take 1 ear of corn. And we'll go ahead and char this out. This is super fun to do, guys. Nice way to get some quick dark color on your corn. If you don't have a blowtorch, don't worry, you can just go ahead and throw it on a grill. Start cooking off our veg. We'll go ahead and toast a little garlic in the pan, add our turnip and our zucchini. We'll add our bell peppers and our red onion after that. Make sure you get some nice color on them. And we'll add our scallions. Season always a little salt and pepper. At the very end, we'll go ahead and add our turnip grains. And then right about the time your smoke alarm goes off, the veg is ready. All right, lastly, let's go ahead and sear off our yellowtail. We want to get it in a nice smoking hot pan. We want to create that nice caramelization. That is all flavor right there, baby. Let's plate our dish. This is a 1,000-layer potato. If you guys want to know the recipe, go ahead and check out that video. Little creme fraiche on top, little radish, some chive. And this is a Tomatillo Salsa that I made. And then just a little chili oil.